Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new. By that title, you already know what we're doing today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my lashes. Now, I don't always wear lashes, but when I do, I love them. So I'm going to show y'all how I put them on. I don't know if this is the correct way or not, but this is just how I do them. So if you'd like to see that, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright y'all, first I just have some regular old lash glue that I got from the beauty supply store. It's Broadway strip lash glue. This is in clear. I prefer to use the black lash glue over the clear, but when I went they didn't have black. So I have my tweezers and I have my lashes. These are the Wild Thing lashes by Luxe by Wit. I actually won these in a raffle, so thanks girl for these lashes. I'm about to put them on right now and we're gonna see how they look on me. To start, I just take them out of the container that they're in, which is beautiful, by the way. Great packaging. Then what I do is see what eye this goes on first. And if you don't know, so when the lash tapers off on one end, if it's shorter on one end than the other, then that helps you determine what eye it goes on, because the shorter piece goes in the inner corner of the eye. So whatever end is shorter on, that's the eye that it goes on. So this one appears to be the same size on both, or the same length on both ends. Maybe this end is a little shorter. But what another trick you can do is to hold the case up to your eyes. This one will go on the left eye. At least that's what I do. I don't know if that's like professional, if that's a thing or not, but that's what I do. What I want to do is size the lash. Just put it over your eye to kind of see how long it is, if it's gonna fit your eye. And you can actually do this step with your fingers. You can do the whole thing with your fingers, but definitely this step with your finger. See how long it is, if it fits your eye. This seems to be slightly long, but I'm just gonna go with it because I'm not sure if I want to cut it right now. So I'm just gonna go with it. After you size your lash, I go ahead and take my lash glue and just apply it to the lash. Now, depending on, you know, what type of lash glue you have and how long it takes for it to get tacky will determine when you want to do this step. But I like to do this step before I complete my whole face, so that by the time I'm ready to actually apply my lash, the glue isn't super wet. It's like tacky and it'll actually stick to my lash. So you just want to take it and apply a layer of it on your lash band. Just like that. I don't like to make it clumpy. You want to make it as even of a layer as possible. And I don't like to put too much, but you don't want to put too little to where it doesn't really stick to anything. So yeah, just cover that band in a nice thin layer. And then what I do is I take the lash and just set it on the container, but upright so that it doesn't stick to the container. And I just set it there so that it can dry down a little bit. And while that first one is drying, I just go ahead and apply some glue to the second lash. Alright, so now that I have the lash glue applied to both my lashes, I just wait. Normally I would finish the rest of my face, probably do my blush, highlight, or whatever, apply some mascara to my top lashes, but I've already done that. My face is already done, so I'm just gonna wait for those to dry down a bit, and then we'll be back to go ahead and apply the lash. So of course I cannot talk and apply my lashes at the same time. I have to concentrate, y'all. I have to concentrate and focus on what I'm doing. But as you see me doing here, I just took that lash and kind of put it on top of my lashes. Not directly on my lashes, but just enough above them to where there isn't a gap between my real lashes and then the fake lashes. You don't want a gap because then it looks unnatural and it looks crazy on your eye. But I just secure the middle first and then that outer corner, and now I'm doing my inner corner. I like to push that middle down first just to make sure, like, that's the base of the lash for me, and I just like to put that down first, make sure it's sticking and good, then go into the outer corner and then that inner corner. And after I have the whole lash on, as you see me doing here, I just like to make a minor adjustments, you know, just to get it perfect and in the right spot. As you see me doing here, I'm pulling that outer corner down because it was too far up and I saw a bit of a gap in between. So you just want to go ahead and maneuver it to your liking. Don't be afraid to use your fingers as you see me doing here. And yeah, once you have it on there, you're good to go. And then I just move on to the next eye.
My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? Either come close or stay away. Oh, this words still echoing inside of me. Astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love?
So this brings us to the end of this video. These are the steps I do each and every time I apply lashes. No matter what lashes they are, I always do these. I think these lashes are beautiful. They're out of the ordinary from what I normally wear, the style I'd normally go for, but I think they are beautiful. And right here, y'all, this is me acting casual. But I thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified each and every time you post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put it in the description box. But I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.